A very, very happy Diwali to everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful Diwali and month ahead and year ahead. Lots of wishes. Diwali ki dher sari shubhkamnaएं. So let's start with November 2021 predictions. November is going to be an important month since there are many things happening astrologically and astronomically. There's a lunar eclipse happening. Jupiter is moving signs. There are some very powerful combinations happening in the month of November in the skies, where most planets are divided into particular houses and signs. Let's see how this impacts your life. Before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish gurus and my spiritual gurus for always blessing me. I'm truly grateful. So, November 2021. Let's start with the stock market predictions. November starts with the market going strong and steady, especially the banking and finance and telecommunication sectors. However, this will change as soon as we cross the first 4 days of November. The banking, finance, telecommunication sectors will see a small correction around this time. The market continues to be reasonably stable, and as we cross the 15th of November, the third week of November will see volatility and a sudden high in certain sectors of the market. So, till about the second week of November, the market is going steady, except for the sectors that I've mentioned will see a minor correction. The rest of the market is going strong. But as soon as we cross the 15th of November, suddenly there's going to be volatility in the market all over again. The market will continue to see this volatility till the end of the month. The month ends on a reasonably stable note, and there will be steady gains in cryptocurrency and gold around the 30th of November. So the market is reasonably still. After the 15th, there's volatility, which will continue till the end of the month. And specifically, there's going to be a lot of action, a lot of gains in the cryptocurrency and the gold sector. So, stock market predictions, this is all I have. Have a great month. Happy trading. Overall energy of the month. If there are particular signs that I mentioned during the predictions, those signs are for your sun, moon, and ascendant sign. So follow the advice for these whenever I mention a particular sign. Let's start with overall energy for the month of November 2021. November is a month where most of the global human population is focused on recovering from suffering, recovering and overcoming from ill health, recovering and overcoming from struggles in personal relationship or around financial debt. So November is basically all around pushing yourself to make things okay, pushing yourself to move forward, overcome the struggles and reach a better, happier phase. It's literally overcoming the difficulties that we've seen in the last 2 years. Most of the people are going to be focused on work. The primary focus of November will remain these in each of your lives, no matter what age or background you are at. A large portion of people will start new business ventures, new partnerships, and new personal relationships in the month of November. I also see a lot of weddings being planned, weddings, marriages being finalized, engagements, etc., happening in the month of November. There is a powerful lunar eclipse on the 19th of November, which will specially impact the zodiac signs of Taurus, Cancer, and Scorpio. So, if you are associated in any way to these three signs, you need to be careful around the eclipse time. Between the 18th of November to early December is the time where especially these signs, which is Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Moon, Sun, as well as Ascendant, needs to be extra cautious. Everyone is focused on their goals, their ambitions, and dreams. This is the time which is basically a global time between 18th of November and early December, around the 6th, 7th of December. These 2 weeks, these 20 days approximately, is a time where people are going crazy. They're running after their dreams, they're trying to follow their ambitions. It seems like most people are struggling and going crazy to achieve them instantly. It's almost like a race of running ahead or running behind illusions that the humanity is somehow going to get into. The best way to deal with this powerful, chaotic, global, universal energy in these days is bringing focus upon us, that is yourself. So between the 18th of November and early December is a time where, like I said, there's a lot of craziness happening. There's a lot of chaos that is happening. There's sudden need to try to fulfill everything or run after things. Remember, you saw these predictions. Remember to follow my advice, because during this time, what will actually bring you the good results and the achievements that you want is to stay focused on yourself, to go inside and focus on your actions, on your thoughts. Find grounding and get into some spiritual practices to actually greatly achieve many things in the month of November, because that's what the universe actually is pushing you to. November is the month where you must sit down for a few minutes daily to self evaluate or meditate. Pick a process of meditation that you like. I also have shared some details on meditation. There's a video on my Astro Kanu mobile app, as well as on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out. If not Astro Kanu, it doesn't matter what you pick, but pick a process of meditation, of self observation, because November is the month where you must start getting into this habit. Or just spend time chanting and contemplating on where you want to head. It's an intense time. It's a time where there are a lot of things happening in your life, within your mind, as well as around you. Go ahead and put all your energy, but remember to remind yourself to not go crazy and not go chaotic along with people or the energy around you, which is there during these days. Come back to these predictions, watch them on days where you feel that you're running on a treadmill, which is taking you nowhere, because some days would feel like that. Remind yourself that I told you that overall energy is a little crazy in the middle part and the second half of the month of November. Choose to channel this chaotic, powerful energy. If you channel it well, you will achieve great spiritual insights and also manage to achieve great material goals. All you need to do is stay connected, centered, focused towards your own insight, or towards your own intuition, towards your own consciousness. Sagittarius, Pisces, a lot of you have been troubled in the last few months. You will start seeing happier times as soon as we enter the last 2-3 days of November and December onwards. This time is a time that will offer you great opportunities. And as we reach towards the end of the month, which is end of November, you will find yourself in a far better financial space, with money and income getting steady and you finally doing well and feeling much happier. You're finally reaching a happier phase, a more stable space in your life where struggles are finally leaving you. Overall, things are picking up for you. There are also new beginnings for Capricorn, and things are finally clear to you with your plans ahead at the end of November. For detailed sun sign and moon sign predictions, based on your chart. Those are personal, your signs for sun and moon. Subscribe to Astro Kanu. Download the app and subscribe within the app. It's on Google Play Store. You can also write to me on the email address given below right now. If you are not using Android and are on iOS, and you can subscribe to the sun and moon predictions personally for you over an email listing. The sun sign predictions are a short video for guidance for the month, and your moon sign predictions are in written. This is how these predictions will come to you. So feel free to subscribe to personal predictions by me for you every month. Many of you are planning new beginnings, relocation, change of residence, new relationships in the month of November. And for those of you, I wish you all the best. I hope these new beginnings are wonderful for you and they bring only happiness and all the good things in your life. I send you blessings and lots of love. May your new beginnings, whether professionally or in your personal life, bring you all the happiness and fulfill your desires and dreams. Overall, November is a bright month. Follow the advice that I've given you, and so that you can make the most of this month. Parts of this month can be extremely powerful and impact you in different ways. It will be a month which will help you, help everyone move ahead to a better space. You will finally leave behind all the disruptions and obstacles that you have gone through in the last 1.5, 2 years. November will bring you in a space of clarity, stability, happiness, making better plans, and final recovery that you've been waiting for. So, this is a good point to be in. Please follow the advice. Make a slight effort so that you get the most out of this month and you get the most out of the universal energy of this special month. I wish you all the best. Have a great month ahead. I'll be back with predictions soon. Till then, take care.